2 Timothy 4:3. For the time will come when they will not endure sound doctrine, but after their own lust shall they heap to themselves teachers, having itching ears.
Read again and stop at doctrine.
2 Timothy 4:3. For the time will come when they will not endure sound doctrine.
That's right. So when we're out here, telling you the correct doctrine, it says that the time will come. Well, they will not hear it. Because this is sound doctrine that we're giving you, and sound doctrine means the truth.
And this is what just happened right now. But after their own lust, were you doing good? You doing good? Yeah, I know you're not doing good. You're wearing a fucking jacket with shorts. You're fucking cold. You're cold all over, man. Smelling like booze and shit. And that's the same fucking dude that got one of my videos. I had to take down their music. This is 2 Timothy 4:3. For the time will come when they will not endure sound doctrine, but after their own lust shall they heap to themselves teachers having itching ears.
Right there it said, having itching ears. So when we tell you this truth, you're not gonna listen to the sound doctrine. You're not gonna listen to this truth, but you're gonna have itchy ears. And when you go into the definition for itchy ears, it says to scratch, to tickle, makes to itch. When you tickle somebody, it makes you feel good inside, makes you have that good feeling, And also, desirous of hearing something pleasant. Okay, so now, when we tell you this truth, it doesn't sound pleasant, right? But if you go to these mega churches, where they're singing with the big microphone,
I bet you they feel good.
It feels good. It feels good inside. You get a tingling feeling, and you think that the Lord's in there.
I bet you there's a few jackasses with their fucking hands in the air, waving side to side.
That's right.
With a fucking lighter in their hand.
Some people are crying,
You can bet they're fucking crying.
They think that they're blessed.
Dang. That's it.
Right. So with that, we want to give all praises to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahushai Ba'Hashem Rakakadash. Double honors to the elders and apostles of the great millstone for teaching us this truth, and peace and mercy to the brothers around the world pushing this truth. Say shalom till next time.